Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss the second system of numeration, International System of Numeration. Welcome to SSR Academy of IIT Foundation in Mathematics YouTube channel. In the previous session we discussed place values, face values of a digits and digits, numbers, numeration, notation, definitions, next some related problems, and also discussed the systems of numeration commonly used. Number one is Indian system of numeration, and today we are going to discuss International System of Numeration. International System of Numeration. This system is followed by many countries in the world. In this system, a number is split into periods. The periods in this system from right side to left side are ones, thousands, millions, billions and trillions. Each period, in the first period, from right to left is ones period. This ones period containing 3 digits. Those are unit digit, tens digit and hundreds digit. And the second period is thousands period. In this thousands period, thousands place, 10,000s and 100,000s. Next, third period in this system is millions period. Million place values, 10 millions, 100 millions and billions period. In this billions, 10 billions, finally the last period is trillion period. Trillion, in this 1 trillion, 10 trillions. These are the periods and place values of digits in International System of Numeration. Now, International System of Numeration. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss the topics. International System is one. Number 2 is relation between two systems. That is Indian System of Numeration, International System of Numeration. And the third is related problems with two systems. International System of Numeration, Indian System of Numeration. Relation between these two problems, these two systems. Next, some problems related to place values, face values, and final topic is comparison of two numbers. When we take two numbers, we compare which one is big and which one is small. These are the topics which we are going to discuss in this session. Now, first we already discussed International System, and this is the place value chart of International System of Numeration. Now let us go to relation between two systems. Two systems means Indian System of Numeration, International System of Numeration. When we observe these two tables, we can find the relations. That is 1 lakh equal to 1000 millions, 1000 hundreds, and 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. One million equal to 10 lakhs and 10 millions equal to 1 crore. 100 millions equal to 10 crores. 100 crores equal to 1 billion. These are the relations when we observed two systems. Those are Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. We can find these relations which are very familiar. Next, relation problems. These are the relations. Next we go to relation problems. First, suppose number one is, first problem which we are going to discuss is 5 lakhs equal to dash thousands, T dash thousands. Now how many thousands are equal to 5 lakhs, or 5 lakhs equal to how many thousands? 5 lakhs equal to dash thousands. First, we know, we write 5 lakhs as 5 lakhs equal to, we write 5 lakhs as 5 lakhs containing 6 digits and 5 zeros. So this is 5 lakhs. Number of thousands in this 5 lakhs is, when a thousand have 3 zeros, so we have to erase zeros, 3 zeros, to get number of thousands in 5 lakhs. Now we can write it as 500 thousands. So 5 lakhs equal to 500 thousands. This is the first problem. So once again, 5 lakhs equal to dash thousands. This is the problem. Or it may be asked in another way as, how many thousands make 5 lakhs? How many thousands make 5 lakhs? So here we know that 5 lakhs equal to, we write it in notation form, numeration. 5 lakhs, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 lakhs containing 6 digits, and in 5 lakhs there are 5 zeros. So to get how many thousands, we have to 1000 have 3 zeros. So we have rounded 3 zeros, and if it is possible we can erase them. Then we get number of thousands in this 5 lakhs. So remaining number is 500 thousands. So 5 lakhs equal to 500 thousands. Next, problem 2, that is, how many thousands make a million? How many thousands? How many thousands make a million? So first we have to find number of thousands in a million. So first we write a million means 1 million. A means 1. So we write 1 million equal to, we write it in number form. That is 1 million containing 7 digits. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we read it in place values as ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 100,000s, and this is million. So these are periods. First period, second period. First period containing 3 zeros. So it is ones period. Units, tens, hundreds. And second period containing thousands period. Ones, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. And next millions period is 1 million. So this is 1 million. 1 million have 7 digits and 6 zeros. Now we have to find thousands. Number of thousands in 1 million is thousands. 1000 has 3 zeros. So 3 zeros we round it as 3 zeros and cancel them. Then we get 1000, that is equal to 1000 thousands. Thousands make a million. So this is how many thousands make a million. In this we write 1 million equal to 1 million. Million is in International System of Units. International System of Numeration. So 1 million equal to 1 million containing number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. 1 million containing. From this chart we can also say the other problems, that is 1 billion containing how many digits? How many digits are there in 1 billion? Then we count from right to left up to billions period. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 billion containing 10 digits. So here the problem is 1 million equal to 1 million. 1 million means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 million have 7 digits and 6 zeros. Now we are going to find thousands. Number of thousands in 1 million. So 1000 have 3 zeros. So we cancel 3 zeros from right side. Then the remaining is 1000. So 1 million equal to 1000 thousands. Next, 1 million equal to dash hundreds. This is also the same problem. That is 3 equal to 1 million equal to dash hundreds. So here also 1 million equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is 1 million which have 7 digits. So 1 6 zeros. That is equal to, here we are going to find number of hundreds. Number of hundreds in 1 billion. So number of hundreds, 100 have 2 zeros. So we erase 2 zeros from right side. So after cancellation of these 2 digits, we have 10,000 hundreds. So 1 million have 10,000 hundreds. This is third problem. 1 million equal to dash hundreds. 1 million have 7 digits, and to get hundreds, number of hundreds in 1 million, we erase 2 zeros from right side, we get 10,000 hundreds, which is equal to 1 million. Next, fourth. To go to fourth problem, that is what dash billions equal to dash billions equal to 1 trillion. Listen carefully. 1 trillion equal to dash billions. So we go to International System of Numeration chart. Here billions, trillion. 1 trillion equal to, so 1 trillion have number of digits in 1 trillion, we count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 trillion has 12 digits. So 1 trillion equal to 12 digits means number 1, the remaining 11 are zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we put commas, ones, tens, hundreds. This is ones period. Next, 1000, 10,000, 100,000s. This is thousands period. Next, million, 10 millions, 100 millions. This is millions period. Next, billions period. 1 billion, 10 billions, and this is a trillion. Now we have to find number of billions in 1 trillion. So already we write 1 trillion equal to. Next we have to find number of billions is equal to. So billion have, first we check that the number of digits in billion to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 digits in 1 billion. So 10 digits. 10 digits means this 1 billion have 9 zeros. So we erase 9 zeros, then we get number of billions in 1 trillion. So 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is equal to 100 billions. So 1 trillion equal to 100 billions. So this is the fourth problem. So first we have to know that the number of digits in million, number of digits in trillion, number of digits in million, billion, trillion, and find the relations. Next 1 billion equal to dash lakhs. So this is the relation between international and national system, Indian system of numeration. So 1 billion equal to, already we know that 1 billion is here. So 1 billion have 10 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 billion equal to 10 digits means write 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 millions, 100 millions, and 1 billion. Now we have to find number of lakhs in 1 billion. Lakhs, 1 lakh containing 6 digits and 5 zeros. So when we erase 5 zeros from right side of the number, we get number of lakhs in 1 billion. So 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the remaining number is 1 and remaining 4 zeros. So 1 billion equal to 10,000 lakhs. 1 billion equal to 10,000 lakhs. So this is the problem, which is relation between international and national or Indian system of numeration. Next we go to another problem, that is how many 4 digits numbers are there in base 10 system. So what is base 10 system? A system which is used 10 digits is called base 10 system. So which system is used 10 digits is our both national and our Indian and our international system of numeration. So here how many 4 digit numbers? Fifth problem. Sixth, how many 4 digit numbers are there in base 10 system? Before going to find number of 4 digit numbers are there in base 10 system, first we take 2 little problems, small problems, that is 4 to 7. So number of digits from 4 to 7 is 4 to 7. We have to find. First we write, this is the smallest distance from 4 to 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 4 digits from 4 to 7. So we write 4 to 7 as 7 minus 4 and add 1 to this difference. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So there are 4 digits from 4 to 7. We find this by using 7 minus the greatest number minus smallest number, and we add 1 to this number, we get 4. Similarly 10 to 17, number of numbers from 10 to 17 is, so from 10 to 17 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 numbers from 10 to 17. So 10 to 17, 8 numbers. So we subtract 10, smallest number from biggest number, and add 1 to that. Then we get 8. So 10, 17 minus 10 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So here also we have 8 numbers from 10 to 17. So by using this formula, that is 10 to 17 is 17 minus 10 plus 1. 4 to 7 is 7 minus 4 plus 1. So we add 1 to the difference from 4 and 7. Next, by using these relations, we find how many 4 digits are there in base 10 system. That is, first we write the greatest 4 digit number. We know that the greatest 4 digit number is greatest 4 digit number is 9999 and smallest 4 digit number equal to 1000. This means the 4 digit numbers starts from 1000 and ends at 9999. So now we have to find the number of 4 digit numbers are there in base 10 system. Is difference equal to subtracting 1000 from 9999, then we get 9998, 8999. This is the difference. But number of 4 digit numbers. To get number of 4 digit numbers, we subtract 9999 to 1000 and add 1 to this. Then we get number of 4 digit numbers in base 10 system. So that is equal to. Already we find the difference between these two as 8999 plus 1, that is equal to 9000. So there are 9000 4 digit numbers are there in base 10 system. There are 9000 4 digit numbers in base 10 system. This is the 6th problem. Next, write the smallest 5 digit numbers by using 3 different digits. Smallest 5 digit number. So this is the problem. Once again check and write it in your notebook. Next, write the smallest 5 digit number. Write the smallest 5 digit number using 3 different digits. This is problem number 8. So smallest 5 digit number. So we have to find smallest 5 digit number. So we write 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is 5 digits boxes. So now we have to find smallest 5 digit number using 3 different digits. When we are going to find smallest 5 digit number, we take smallest 3 digits. So the smallest 3 digits are 0, 1, 2. These are the smallest 3 digits. So in this we fill the boxes from small to big, from left to right, small to big. But when we write 0 in the leftmost place, there will be a 4 digit number only. So we cannot 0 in leftmost place. So we change leftmost place from 0 to 1. So 1. And remaining now, the greatest number is 2. So we write this in units place. So now the remaining digit is 0. So we fill all the boxes with zeros. This is now we write this as 10,002. This is the smallest 5 digit number by using 3 different digits. Next, we go to 5. Comparison of numbers. So comparison of numbers. When we compare two numbers, First we check whether the number of digits in two numbers is equal or not. Suppose when we take two numbers, those are 32154, 75210. These are the two numbers. Of these two numbers, first we have to check whether the number of digits in each number are equal or not. If those are equal, then we compare the digits from leftmost places. So, in the first number, leftmost place is 3. In the second number, leftmost place is 7. So, of these, 3 is the smallest digit. So, this is the smallest number from this number. So, we write this as 32,154 is less than 75,210. This is the first step when the number of digits in two numbers are equal. If these two leftmost places are equal in any other numbers, that means we take another example, that is 6, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 6, 3, 2, 1, 5. These are the two numbers. In this also number of digits are equal. But then we go to leftmost places to find the smallest number between these two. So here leftmost place in the first number is 6. Leftmost place in the second number is also 6. These are equal. So we go to another number from left to, another digit from left to right in these two numbers. So here next digit is 4 and this is next is 3. So of these two digits, this is the smallest. So this is the smallest number from this number. So we write this as 63,215 is less than 64,321. And if number of digits in two numbers are unequal, suppose 3215, 42157. So here these are the two numbers. First number containing 4 digits, second number containing 5 digits. So here first number have less number of digits. So this is the less than this number. This is the smallest from this number. So we write this as 3215 is less than 42157. So today we discussed the topics. Number 1, international system of numeration. 2 is relation between two systems, that is national system of or Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Some relation problems. 3rd, those are with connecting with place values and face values. Next, number 4, relation sum problems. Number 5, comparison of two numbers. So this is the topic we discussed, which we discussed in this lesson. Next, in the next session, we go to another topic. All the best. Bye.